Hello and welcome back to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in the world of off-road SUVs, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. After years of dominating trails, deserts, and highways, Toyota is bringing back the Land Cruiser with a refreshed look and modern tech, while staying true to its rugged heritage. A legacy reimagined. The Land Cruiser has always been a symbol of reliability and endurance, and the 2025 model carries that torch forward. Toyota has smartly redesigned the vehicle to appeal to both die-hard fans and modern adventurers. This version harks back to its roots, blending classic design elements with contemporary aesthetics. Up front, the boxy grille and retro-inspired round headlights pay homage to the earlier generations, but with a modern twist. The body is muscular, tough and purposeful, designed to handle anything from city streets to rocky trails. Toyota has ensured that the Land Cruiser remains timeless while embracing 21st-century design cues. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, Toyota has opted for a more efficient yet powerful engine lineup. The 2025 Land Cruiser is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain, delivering a solid 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. This setup not only ensures performance, but also improves fuel efficiency, making it ideal for long expeditions or daily commutes. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Land Cruiser provides smooth shifts and impressive torque delivery, especially in off-road scenarios. Its full-time four-wheel drive system comes with advanced multi-terrain management modes, making the transition from sand to snow seamless. Toyota has also included locking differentials to enhance traction on uneven terrains, further solidifying its off-road dominance. Built for adventure. The 2025 Land Cruiser is not just about looking tough, it's built for adventure. The body-on-frame construction ensures durability, while the suspension system provides a perfect balance of comfort and ruggedness. With an impressive 270.9 inches of ground clearance and the ability to ford water up to 27.5 inches, this SUV is ready to tackle extreme conditions. Toyota has also equipped it with skid plates and tow hooks, ensuring you're prepared for any challenge. Whether it's towing up to 6,000 pounds or navigating rocky landscapes, the Land Cruiser delivers in every scenario. Interior excellence. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that is both functional and luxurious. Toyota struck a fine balance between durability and comfort. The interior is designed with high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and robust finishes that can withstand the wear and tear of adventurous lifestyles. The Land Cruiser offers seating for up to 7 passengers with foldable third-row seats to maximize cargo space. Technology is front and center, with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll also find a fully digital driver display, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports to keep everyone connected. For those who demand premium features, the higher trims include options like leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, and a JBL premium sound system, ensuring every journey feels luxurious. Safety first. Toyota has integrated its latest Safety Sense 3.0 suite into the Land Cruiser. This includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The advanced off-road camera views are especially useful, allowing you to navigate tight trails with confidence. Pricing and availability. Here's the big question. How much will it cost? Toyota has smartly positioned the 2025 Land Cruiser as a more accessible luxury SUV, with a starting price around $55,000. With multiple trims to choose from, there's a Land Cruiser for everyone, from the casual explorer to the hardcore off-roader. Final thoughts. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is a testament to Toyota's commitment to blending tradition with innovation. It's rugged yet refined, efficient yet powerful, and above all, capable of conquering any challenge you throw at it. Whether you're an adventurer looking to explore uncharted territories or someone who simply appreciates a reliable and iconic SUV, the new Land Cruiser delivers on every front. Thanks for tuning into Future Fuel. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest automotive innovations. Let us know in the comments what you think about this return of a legend. Until next time, keep your engines running and your adventures limitless.